have a small garden down my apartment. Also, I need to service my AC outdoor unit, and I don't have water tap connection outside my apartment. So I decided to tap water from my kitchen faucet. I visited the local hardware market and I got myself a half-inch hose connector accessory set. Now in this set you have the following accessories: two half-inch hose quick connectors, then your spray nozzle. Again, it's a quick connector type. You can adjust the flow of water like so. And then you have this quick connector nipple, half-inch to 3/4. And then I realized that for my faucet I will need a 24 mm to half-inch or 3/4 inch adapter or coupler like this. Adapter size is a 24 mm or a 23 mm depending on the size of the diameter of the faucet aerator. 2 half-inch or 3/4 inch. Or you could get a threaded hose water tube connector like this. Suitable length of hose pipe as per your needs and requirements. I'm using a half-inch pipe, as in half-inch in the diameter. Tool that you would require: a spanner to remove the aerator from the faucet. Heading towards the faucet, you will need to take out this aerator. Use your spanner and turn anti-clockwise to open, like so. Keep the washer aside. Washer, you'll use it later. Now, as the diameter of the thread of this aerator is 24 mm, I'm going to use a 24 mm to half adapter. I couldn't get a 3/4 inch adapter, so this is a 24 mm to 3/4 inch, half-inch adapter. Check the diameter of your aerator before buying an adapter or coupler. Put in your washer, followed by the adapter. Tighten, turning clockwise. Now put in the half to 3/4 adapter. If you have directly a 3/4, then your nipple will directly go into this. But since I don't have one, I'm using an adapter again. It's a half to 3/4 adapter. And this is a 3/4 nipple quick connect. There we go. Let me quickly show you how to connect the quick connectors and nozzle to the hose. I will take one end of the hose and connect the quick connector like so. This part I will connect to the faucet into the nipple. Now the end will go into the quick connect end. The nozzle will go in like this. Now let me go ahead and connect the hose, the quick connect nipple. Like so. Now go ahead and put the top on. As you can see, I can adjust the flow of water, either put it off Now to disconnect, you just pull down the quick connect like so. I prefer not leaving the nipple like this. I prefer removing it off because the water pressure is not so powerful. I prefer having the aerator on. The connector comes out very easily by turning it anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. Once you're done with your job of watering your plants or cleaning your patio or garden or stairs or whatever you need it for, put back the aerator like so. Turn it clockwise to tighten. You could use a wrench or a spanner and tighten it. Don't put much pressure or torque, otherwise you can break the threading or the faucet itself. That will be all in this video. Hope this video is of use and thanks for watching.